For the first time in nearly 2 years, the sound of children learning has returned to parts of Gaza City. Inside makeshift classrooms built from tents, pupils are once again writing letters, solving sums, and sharing laughter, a fragile return to normalcy after years of war. The improvised school stands amid the ruins of Lawwa Abdul Wahab Al-Khatami School, destroyed during the conflict and later used as a shelter for displaced families. Today, it hosts more than 1,100 students in rotating shifts, taught by just 24 teachers and supported by UNICEF. For many children, this is their first formal education since the war began. According to UNICEF, over 97% of schools in Gaza were damaged or destroyed, leaving most of the strip's 658,000 school-aged children without regular schooling for nearly 2 years. A 14-year-old boy who lost his mother during the conflict says returning to school helps him cope. It's not the same as before, he admits, but being here matters. With no electricity, limited supplies, and widespread trauma, the challenges remain immense. Yet teachers say education offers something rare in Gaza today: hope and a chance for childhood to begin again. Abrar Ahmed, Daily Sun.